Alright, y'all, man, welcome to the video real quick. I just wanted to show y'all a new drift car. Last night, you feel me, Gabe was painting in it, paint match it. This is Gabe's dad's new drift car, by the way, you know what I'm saying? He probably had it for like a couple weeks now, you know, 350Z. I don't know what year it is, but not too bad. Hold on, can I do it like this? Okay, bet. I'm using my phone right now, but look, DE. Got super low miles. He was gonna put coilovers on it, but the coilovers weren't low enough for him, so it's back on stock height. These are the old wheels that's off of Gabe's S13. This is Gabe's car. Still got the Laurel. It's like a little update video, man. I know I ain't posting in a while, but they got a drift event coming up this weekend. They're making it Sunday. Then yeah, his dad's gonna take this car out there and rip it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Gabe's car's still solid, man. You know, his last drift event, he was getting down. You know what I mean? Like this corner, you always come like high. So faster on this corner.
I don't even drift, bro. I don't even drift. Am I drifting yet? Oh, shit! Damn! God, I'm drifting now. Somebody tell Ryan Turk, watch out. I'm drifting now. Oh my God! Boy, what the fuck? I don't know what I did right there.
What the fuck is going on? Nigga, I thought you didn't drift.
That's a drift?